Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel The AG. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to prepare bobbattu, that is Puran Poli. In north of India, it is called as Puran Poli, and in Karnataka, it is called as Obbat, and in Telangana, it is known as Bakshalu. This is one of my favorite sweet recipes. So let's get started. To prepare bobbattu, you need to prepare the stuffing first. To prepare the stuffing, you have to cook chana dal. Here, I took 1 cup of chana dal, and to this I have added 2 cups of water and pressure cooked it for 5 whistles on high flame. Now, dal should be very soft. And after the pressure is released, take out the dal from the pressure cooker and mash it and keep it aside. Now to prepare the jaggery syrup, here I took 1 cup of crushed jaggery or jaggery powder into a pan and add 1 cup of water. Melt it completely. Boil the jaggery syrup till it becomes frothy. When the jaggery syrup turns frothy, add cooked dal to the jaggery syrup. Mix it continuously on medium flame so that it comes together. If you could see, the water has completely evaporated from our mixture. Now our filling is ready. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now give it a good mix and switch off the flame. Now cool this completely and keep aside. Let's prepare the outer cover. Now the outer cover is made of maida. You can also use atta, but using maida, it gives good gluten and it stretches very well. But I would always suggest you to use maida in this recipe. Here I took 1 cup of maida. Here I have sieved the flour and mix well. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric gives good color to your bobbatlu. And now add 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of oil. Remember, you add little portions and mix the flour. Knead it for 15 to 20 minutes till it becomes very smooth. Add little quantities of water and oil. Make sure that the dough is really smooth than the atta dough so that it stretches easily when we put filling inside this outer cover. Now our dough is really smooth and ready. To soak this dough for 30 minutes by adding little amount of oil. Cover and place it aside. After 30 minutes, you could see dough is really smooth and ready. Now stuffing is also ready. Take a butter paper and now we are good to go to prepare our Puran Polis, that is bobbatlu. Take large portions of the filling. Here make sure that you take large portions of the filling. The filling quantity should be more than the outer cover. So I took larger portion of filling and lesser portion of outer cover. Spread gently on the butter paper by dipping your hand in oil. Place the filling in the center. Cover the filling carefully as shown. Now if your dough is really smooth, it has soaked for good amount of time, it will have this gluten texture, that is it stretches very easily, or else it will be very difficult to cover the filling. Make sure you knead the dough for 15 to 20 minutes and soak the dough for 30 minutes. That's it to prepare very soft Puran Polis. Spread it evenly by dipping your fingers in the oil. Don't worry about the shape. Our bobbattu is ready. Now heat the pan on low flame and add about half teaspoon of ghee. Spread evenly on the pan. Now transfer our bobbattu onto the pan. Now add little amount of ghee on the other side. So For good taste of boba you have to add generous amount of ghee so that these boba will stay fresh for longer time. Flip and fry on the other side also. Our boba is ready. If you could see, there is a beautiful golden brown texture formed on the boba and it's a time to take off from the pan. Now similarly prepare all the boba with the remaining filling and the mixture as shown. I hope you really love this dish. If you do like this recipe, please hit the like button, and if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share this video with the family and friends. I hope you definitely like this recipe out. If you do like this recipe, please give it a try and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. For the list of ingredients and the measurements used in the recipe are mentioned in the description box below. Please do check it out. Thank you for watching.